So one of the companies that I deal with is a large light rail vehicle manufacturer. What we do for them is a lot of heavy weldments for both locomotive and for undercarriage. We deal in a lot of stainless steel and a lot of aluminum weldments for them. We're also responsible for the exterior cladding sections of the train, where we have to manufacture some components that are high cosmetic, which we wet coat in our facility on Clay Street after they've been manufactured, and these are adhered to the sides of the light rail vehicle. Also, we handle a lot of large heavy aluminum weldments for both inside the locomotives. We handle a lot of large roof sections for light rail vehicles. So we have work cells designed and set up and running for manufacture a continuous stream of heavy steel weldments for the roof sections on locomotives. Okay, so we're over here at our clay facility where we are in process of painting our next delivery of cladding. Cladding is the exterior skins of a light rail vehicle. What we'll do is we will fabricate these parts to spec over at our Janata facility, and they're transported over here for paint, where our paint crew in our wet boots will apply 2 coats of primers. One is an adhesion primer for the interior, and one is a more cosmetic primer for the exterior of the train. After they've gone through multiple inspection steps, they'll go through final assembly, where we will use this particular type of epoxy to seal and to adhere some steel parts to the exterior sides of this for mounting on the cars.